Hello guys, we're gonna be we're gonna see what map we get. I know I haven't been uploading a video in a long time, but let's see what we got. I'm not used to this game anymore because like for the past few days all I've been playing was NW2. Yeah, shit, that easy. So try and get better at sniping again. Yeah. I guess we got flooded, and we're gonna see what we got. Alright, Jonathan, I'm back. What? Because I don't have enough gigabytes. Because it says that my GTA doesn't work because it says that what's called. I need 8 gigs for it just to 8 gigs just to make it work. I'm trying to get the spawn snipe that. See if anybody passes by here. Nope. All you guys already died? Those hit markers are freaking real. Come on, get it, oh! Freaking John, oh, he didn't even get my tag. Shit, and then I got a hit marker. Freaking hate him. Let's see. Ooh, kill him. Wow. He killed him through the freaking. Wow. Wow. They're freaking using a bulldog. They're not gonna get our tags, Jonathan. I hope you know that. Like, shit, teammates don't get tags. They just go like whatever. I'm gonna use a bulldog now, man. I'm mad. Never know. Sharkeisha. Shit, I'm scared. Nah, I changed my mind. Oh my god. I know. Oh my, wow. He sucks. Because of me. Wouldn't have been alive without me. Alright, I see that teammate's got some pretty good kills. I guess we're gonna win this one. Straight up planet. Dude, who has a freaking Connect mic? Somebody has a Connect mic. Wow. Jonathan, come this way, Jonathan. Get over here. Jonathan, over here! Turn around! Yeah. Was if you went there? Probably would have died if you went over there. Alright. Jonathan, put your seat. Oh my god, get my tag. Watch out for the dog though. Thank you. I don't know. Me too. And why are we in a private chat? Why are we in a private chat? I know, but what if I want to? Sure, after this. Okay, they kind of know we're going down. Wow, you freaking bulldog! Right, Jonathan. Did you die? Yeah. You died too. Well, we freaking lost. What? Yeah. Alright guys, that's it.